Hi, welcome to our screencast on creating an app with KloudMart templates. In this screencast, I will show you how you can create an ideaPro app within few seconds using our templates. Before you start, make sure you have a KloudMart account. If you don't have an account, just go to our website and register for an account. It's free. Alright, we have our KloudMart account ready and let's get started. First of all, log into your account and you will see the control panel. Here you can see three options to create an application. You have to select the third one, which says create app from template. Once you click that, you will see a list of available templates. Right now we have 5 templates, but we will be adding more and more useful templates frequently. Make sure to read the description before you pick one, just for your information. And right now we have templates for news app, alert app, tracking app, and simple calculator app, also a quiz app. I will explain the first template, that is a news app. Don't worry, all the apps have the same step. If you understand one, everything else is just a piece of cake. Okay, let's select the news app from the list of apps and click next. Now you have to give a few details about the app you are going to develop. We need this to provision the app. Make sure to give a clean description here. So let's fill it. I'm going to give my app a name, a description, and a whitelist number to check my app before launch it to production. Right. Before we click next, take a look at the right side of the form. Here you can see the default APIs you need for the app. Note that you cannot change the selected APIs in the template based apps because we think it would make unnecessary complications for you. If you think you need one or more APIs enabled, just drop us a mail and we will do it for you. Okay. Now that we have filled our form, let's click save, and that's how we create our app. Alright, before we do anything else, let's fill out some more configurations. Because the sooner you fill these configurations, the sooner you can publish the app. Okay, let's head back to the app and select edit application configuration for ideaMart. This form is very important. This is where you will configure your app's parameters. So be careful when you fill this. In this application, you can see a couple of menus. Depending on the APIs enabled, you will have to provide some information here. So let's take a look at SMS configurations. So first of all, you have to pick one of the shortcodes from the list, then type a keyword, and you have to give some aliases. Then you have to set the charging amounts and decide whether the subscriber has to be registered to use your app or not, and just hit save. Similar procedure in the USSD configuration. Select an available shortcode, set the charges, decide whether the subscriber has to be registered to use a USSD or not, and hit save. Right. Next, we have to configure the subscription parameters, just like we did before. Okay, set the welcome message to your app. This will be sent to the subscribers when they register to your app. And set a goodbye message. This will be sent to the subscribers when they unregister from your app. Okay, same as in the other APIs, you have to set the charging. And hit save. That's all about the configurations. Now we are good to go. Give the KloudMart support team some time to review and provision your app. Right, we are close now. Let's go and check how our application is developed. Just about the configuration, you can see this menu called Workbench. This is where everything happens. Here you have separate workbench for 3 separate events: SMS, USSD, and subscription. Let's check SMS. Click this menu and it will take you to the SMS workbench. As you can see here, everything is done for you because it's a template based app. Still, there is one more setting you need to change. First of all, let's see what's exactly happening here. So when I receive a message, firstly I check whether it's empty or not. I mean the text content of the message. If it's not empty, I split the message with space And if the keyword matches to the secret key, we broadcast the rest of the message to our subscriber base. You don't need to keep this as it is. If you want to remove or add anything, you can just do it. Click this icon over here and take a look at the video. It will explain the different parts of the workbench we are now on. Okay, let's keep it like this for now. And select the configurations for this if operator right here. And what you see right here is a secret key. Go ahead and change it with something only you know. I will tell you what it is in a minute. Right. Click the save button and you will get a confirmation. Cool. Now the SMS event is ready for your app. You can now go ahead and test it in the simulator. Scroll up, click the run simulation button and you will see the CloudMart simulator. All you have to do is select a phone in the list and send a message. Let's go ahead and try it out. Cool. We get the response. It's pretty cool, right? Okay. If you want to know more about the simulator or the scary little console right here, you can click this little icon and watch the video about the CloudMart simulator. Just like the SMS event, you can repeat the same steps for USSD and subscription events and test it out in the simulator. Okay, let's go ahead and try them out. Come back to the control panel, select your app, go to the workbench and click the USSD event. Just to make sure, save the graph. Before testing the USSD, let's save the subscription graph as well. Click the event, save the graph, voila. Now we have the complete app. Let's go ahead and test everything. Great, everything works fine. Thank you.